Good afternoon. My name is Michael Kiros, and I am the Chief Operating Officer at Cubeler. Today, it will be my pleasure to share with you a preview of some of the many and new and improved features and functionalities that Cubeler's product team has been working on over the last little while. It is worth mentioning that many of these features to the networking as well as to the insights module are based on the valuable feedback which we have received from you, our valued members, as well as from many of our investors and from the business community as a whole. Okay, so let's get started. I will begin by showing a few slides of the new features and functionalities that are currently in development. It should be noted that the next generation of the networking module includes an AI-powered matching service that proactively recommends ideal business connections and a new dynamic opportunity marketplace that makes it easy for Cubeler members to post and to find new projects and new opportunities. Once you connect with another SME, you will now be able to manage the entire relationship's life cycle from initial inquiry and communication to proposal management, all within a brand new and integrated opportunity tracker that we call it. That eliminates the need for cumbersome and additional tools to manage the relationship. Okay, let's talk about the welcome page. The welcome page of the new and improved networking module has a new visual interface composed of a top bar menu and a set of filters, as well as a search bar that makes it simple for Cubeler members to find and to make new business connections. Search results will now be organized in a visually friendly format that will contain plenty of detail regarding a new potential business connection. Search results will be presented in a card format for ease of use. Let's talk about the match settings. An easy-to-use form will now be made available for the user to enter detailed information about his business. The user will also be able to enter detailed information regarding new business connections that he or she is looking to make. The defining criteria can now be set to include a specific geographic area, a specific industry, and a specific product, among many other variables. The main goal in this page is for the user to provide detailed information about his or her own business and to specify exactly what it is that he's looking for in a business partner, a potential new supplier, or a customer. The information that is entered into the form is used by the platform's new matching algorithm to find new business connections. Now, based on the detailed information that was previously defined and saved by a business owner, the improved networking module will now suggest new business connections that are based on a matching algorithm. As seen on the screen image, the application will suggest a number of suggested connections that will be organized and that will be displayed based on how closely the criteria matches the business attributes of potential new business connections. SMEs will now be able to customize their business profile. Business profile customization will make it possible for SME members to add important and high impact information about the business, such as a description of the products and services offered, certifications and licenses held, product images, and even team member pictures and profiles. This additional information will all be used to suggest value-added business connections. In this page, business operators will now be able to create business opportunities for their members to see. Users will be able to create and to post a request for a quote, or perhaps to request and to ask for a new business collaboration or a sales proposal, to name only but a few of the options that will be at the user's disposal. Let's now talk about the opportunities list. In here, users can browse through new projects, partnerships, or service requests posted by other members of the Cubeler Business Hub. The opportunities will be presented in a card format, which makes it easy to browse through new business opportunities and through company profiles. The Opportunities page. This page is meant to provide a comprehensive overview for any business that is considering responding to an opportunity. The high level of detail provided is designed to allow potential connections to quickly assess if they're a good fit for the project that is being announced, and before choosing to contact the SME that has posted the opportunity. The following page is yet another example of the level of detail that the user will be able to input regarding a specific opportunity that he is creating for other members to see. Now let's talk about an important new feature that we're building into the networking module. We call it Messenger CRM. The improved networking module will include a comprehensive messaging and opportunity management system that will operate much like a built-in customer relationship management tool, which will allow a business to track potential deals from initial inquiry to potential collaboration and hopefully partnership. The CRM will include a messages dashboard, which will be set up as a visual opportunity tracker. The image that you are now seeing displays the main messages dashboard, which is set up as a visual opportunity tracker. This page uses a Kanban style board, a common project management tool used to organize opportunities into different stages of a sales pipe. The opportunities are sorted into columns representing their current status, including new inquiries, qualified leads, and perhaps proposal sent, as an example. Each opportunity, like cloud storage subscription or annual gala planning, is represented by a card. These cards show the opportunity title, the customer's name, and a brief snippet of the last communication. A new tag highlights recent activity. On the left-hand side of the screen, there is a master list of all available opportunities. A set of filters will be made available to the user for ease of sorting the list of opportunities. In this image, we can see that the user will also be able to see opportunity details and internal notes. In this case, the image shows the user has clicked on the consulting RFP response of the opportunity. A modal window pops up over the dashboard displaying the Details tab. This view provides key data about the opportunity, including the company name, its current status, and the opportunity brief. There is also a section entitled Internal Notes and System Updates. This is an important feature of the activity log as shown at the bottom of the page. This section shows a chronological record of system-generated updates such as card moved to qualified leads, among other, and any internal notes that might have been entered into the system. This allows the user to track progress and collaborate behind the scenes. Instant messaging. In this image, we can see how communications will take place among members. This is an instant messaging based interface. The interface will make it possible for the users to chat in real time and to even add file attachments to a conversation. In addition, the chat window will allow for instant language translation, such as English to French and vice versa. Let's now switch gears and let's talk about what the new Insights module will look like. To begin, let's remember what the Insights module is all about. This module contains special interest reports that Cubeler members can access in order to be better informed about news and events influencing the economic landscape and their business. From industry-specific reports to macroeconomic data, the Insights module is a source of information that any and all business owners and operators can benefit from. This module is composed of three main areas or sections, including a section that will house business intelligence reports, a second area that will be known as the knowledge feed, and a third area containing subject-specific polls and surveys. Let's discuss each section in more detail. Let's now talk about the business intelligence section of the module. This section serves as a marketplace or library for in-depth industry reports. The layout uses a card-based design that allows users to easily browse and identify relevant reports. Users can click Read More to delve into the reports. There are also tags at the bottom of each card that categorize the content. A search bar is available for finding specific topics. A report summary is available for all members to see. However, a complete report or a full report can be downloaded in exchange for a specific number of Cubeler points. The type of reports that will be found in this library are usually sold for hundreds and sometimes even thousands of dollars. But as earlier mentioned, Cubeler members will get access to these reports by use of their Cubeler points. Let's talk about the knowledge feed. The knowledge feed tab shifts the focus from formal reports to a continuous stream of articles and insights, similar to a professional blog or a special interest newsletter. This area is designed to provide ongoing learning and professional development material. Among other, contributing writers and industry experts will produce content that will be made available for Cubeler members to access via this area of the Insights module. A key feature included is the detailed category list on the left-hand side of the page, a filter which will allow users to filter content based on specific interests. Polls and surveys. This tab offers an interactive way for users to participate in formal polls and surveys. The data collected will then be used to create information and business insights that will be made available to the members of the Cubeler Business Hub. Participation in the polls and surveys will be rewarded via Cubeler points. Thank you. That concludes the presentation. It should be noted that the slides presented are meant to be for illustrative purposes, and the final product may differ in look and feel from those presented. The main purpose of this presentation is to offer a preview of the new and improved features and functionalities that are planned for release in the next version of the networking and of the Insights module. I thank you for your interest and your support in Cubeler. Thank you.